This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay in the UK, immediately showing you how to get started. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone or Apple Watch. Tap the plus sign in the top right corner to add a new card, then follow the simple steps. You will usually need to verify your card with your bank through a text message or a phone call. This process typically takes less than 5 minutes, making your device ready for secure transactions. Paying in stores is incredibly straightforward. Just look for the contactless symbol. On your iPhone, double-click the side button, then glance at your phone for Face ID or place your finger on Touch ID. If you are using an Apple Watch, double-click the side button and hold the display near the reader. The transaction is complete once you see Done and a check mark on your screen, which usually happens in just a couple of seconds. Beyond physical stores, Apple Pay also simplifies online shopping and in-app purchases. When checking out, simply select the Apple Pay option. This eliminates the need to manually enter your card details and delivery information, saving you valuable time. A quick authentication with your Face ID or Touch ID completes the purchase securely. This streamlined process makes buying digital goods or services remarkably easy and protected. Using Apple Pay offers significant benefits, most notably enhanced security. Your actual card number is never shared with merchants. It also brings incredible convenience, allowing you to pay with just your device in many situations. If you encounter any issues, ensure your device has its latest software updates installed. You can also try re-adding your card if a problem persists, which often resolves minor glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.